All right, boys and girls, we're back and we're going to start off with our words to know for this unit because we're ending our unit with lesson 20. And our words to know are is, how, find, this, will, be, go, and for. Yesterday, we looked at our letters for this unit and we had I with our Iggy iguana, and that letter sound makes that's good, a I sound. And Gertie Goose for our letter G's, and G makes what sound? G. Good job. Today, we are going to review letter D and our letter R. And we have our friend Dudley Duck who helps us remember that the D makes what sound? D, correct. And Reggie Rooster with the R, and that makes, that's right, the sound. Alrighty, we're going to do a little blending today. I'm going to give you 3 sounds, and I want you to tell me what those sounds spell. So we have at, at. And if I bring those sounds together, hat, hat, hat. We have hat. Good job. Our next word, separating the sounds. And we have b, g, b, g. And if we bring those sounds together, bug, 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 bug. Good job. Our next word is we have p, I, n, p, I, n. And if I bring those sounds together, we have p, in, pin, pin, pin. Good job. Our last word that we'll be blending together is ul, I, p, ul, I, p. I bring those sounds together. Ul, I, p, ul, I, p, lip, 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 lip. Good job, boys and girls. Alrighty, now let's go into breaking sounds apart. All right, Miss Jackson, a second here, working with my reading table. All right, our first word is the word net. Can we break those sounds apart? Good job. N-et. N-et is how we break apart net. That's how we segment that word. Our next word is red. Let's break those sounds apart. Good job. You said ed. Ed. That is how you would segment the word red. Good job. Next word, vet. Let's break the sounds apart. If you said v-et, good job. That's how we segment vet. Last word is kiss. Okay, this one might be tricky because the sounds are k, I, s, k, I, s. So it only has how many sounds? We just actually hear 3 sounds. Although there are 4 letters, when you see a double letter like this, double D, double L, double S, it still makes the 1 sound. So even though it has the 2 letters, it doesn't go kiss. It just says kiss. All right, so it only has 3 sounds. All right, boys and girls, good job. Let's take a look. I'm going to use my book again. This is something that would be a big our tablet in classroom, but I didn't bring those home. There was a lot to bring home. So let's work with my book. And let me see if I can do this without turning it off. I'm going to try to grab a pencil. Oh, very good. And here we go. All right, here we go. So let's complete these sentences. The pictures are giving us clues as to what we're looking at. And so it says the blank is big. I don't know if you can see that. And so what letter would we put in there? The b, a, g. Good. The bag is big. Nice job. And we see this young man. He looks to be at the beach doing something. And it says, I can ig. Ig. What letter is missing there? What is he doing? That's right, he's digging. So I can dig. So the letter D should be there. Dig. And we see these pair of jeans. We see what do we see there? A rip. So what letter should go here? Good sound. Good job. R. Rip. A rip. We see a rip. This picture, of course, we know what that is really quick. And we see the g. Pig can nap. Nice job. And last sentence, my dad, he's probably a dad, is at bat. My dad is at bat. So our sentences again are, the bag is big. Notice the capital letter in the period. I can dig. We see a rip. The pig can nap. And my dad is at bat. Good job, boys and girls. You'll be doing this page, doing your work on your own and your independent work, page 27 this afternoon. All right, so I'm going to go over the vocabulary words for our story today. And those words are, first one is expected. And expected means thought something would happen. Okay? You were expecting it. You know, it didn't surprise you. You were expecting it. Our next word is display, and that is a place where things are shown. Much like our classroom wall in my house, that's on display now in my dining room. That all of the things that we use in our classroom are on display in my dining room. People can see them when they walk in my home. Our next word is museum. And a museum, of course, is a place where things are collected for people to see. And we'll be reading about a museum today. And last but not least, we have a quarry. And a quarry is a pit where people dig for stones. And I do have a picture of that. Bringing up my tablet. See if we can bring that picture up really quick. Okay, there we go. So that's a picture of a quarry. Alrighty, men are down there, they're digging. This one, they're digging for minerals. So they dig deep down into the earth. It's kind of like a pit, almost, that they're working in. And those are just some other examples of quarries. So a quarry is basically a big pit where people do a lot of digging. And we'll learn about that as well. Unfortunately today, boys and girls, I don't have the book with me that we will be reading. So I'm going to send you to YouTube and click on that site there. Your link to the book that should be read, which is dinosaur book. It's called Curious George's Dinosaur Discovery. So that is the story you'll be hearing today. And I won't be the person reading it, but you'll hear it. And then tomorrow we'll have some questions to answer about our story. All right, so going over, you could take another break. Perhaps Miss Miss LaBerth has another brain break for you if you'd like. But take another break and then go ahead over to the YouTube link to hear the story read. All right, boys and girls, talk to you later.